Today, we're talking about self-image because your self-image quietly controls your behavior even more than your conscious goals do. You don't act based on what you want, you act based on who you believe you are. Your self-image is the internal thermostat of your life. No matter how high you turn the goals up, your results will always return to the level your self-image believes is normal, safe, and deserved. This is why people sabotage opportunities, procrastinate right before breakthroughs, or downplay their own growth. It's not a lack of ambition, it's a self-image that hasn't caught up yet. Your self-image is the mental picture you hold of yourself when no one is watching. It's the answer to the question, what kind of person am I? And here's the key insight most people never learn. Your self-image is learned, not permanent. It was shaped by past experiences, emotional moments, repetition, and conditioning, which means it can also be reshaped intentionally. The version of you that exists today is not fixed, it's a pattern, and patterns can be changed. Up to this point in the mindset reset, you've already started dismantling survival thinking, increasing awareness, rewriting beliefs, and stepping into a new identity. Today is where we stabilize that identity at the self-image level, because identity is the decision, but self-image is the emotional agreement with that decision. If identity is the blueprint, self-image is the concrete. This is where change becomes durable. Let me be clear about something important. Self-image is not arrogance. It's not pretending. It's alignment. When your self-image is too small, success feels unsafe, growth feels uncomfortable, opportunities feel overwhelming. But when your self-image expands, effort feels lighter, confidence becomes natural, and consistency stops feeling like discipline and starts feeling like integrity. You're no longer forcing yourself to act a certain way. You're simply behaving in alignment with who you believe you are. Think about how you move through the world right now, how you speak to yourself, what you tolerate, what you avoid, what you expect from yourself. Those behaviors are not random. They're signals of your current self-image. And the fastest way to upgrade your results is not to work harder, but to upgrade the internal image you're operating from. Here's how self-image actually changes. First, awareness. You notice the old image running in the background, the version of you that doubts, hesitates, overthinks, or plays small. Second, interruption. You stop reinforcing that image through language, behavior, and emotional repetition. Third, installation. You consciously begin acting, speaking, and deciding as the person you are becoming even before it feels normal. And fourth is reinforcement. You repeat aligned behaviors until the new self-image feels familiar. Familiarity creates identity permanence. This is where most people quit too early. They act once or twice in alignment with their future self and then stop when it feels uncomfortable. But discomfort is not a sign that you're doing it wrong. It's a sign you're updating your internal wiring. Growth always feels unfamiliar at first. Your nervous system needs repetition to recalibrate. That's why consistency matters more than intensity here. I want you to understand this deeply. The person who wins is not more talented. They simply see themselves as someone who follows through. They don't rely on motivation. They rely on identity. They don't ask, do I feel like it? They ask, is this who I am now? That question changes everything. So today, your job is not to prove anything to anyone else. Your job is to start seeing yourself differently and then backing that self-image with small, undeniable actions. You don't need a massive breakthrough today. You need alignment. One choice that reinforces the new self-image you're building. One behavior that says, this is who I am now. By the end of today, you should feel a subtle but powerful shift. Less internal resistance, more internal trust, more calm confidence. That's the sign your self-image is upgrading. And once your self-image changes, your external world has no choice but to follow.